Hello everyone! Good afternoon, good morning, or good evening, wherever parts of the world you are tuning in from. Well, Rosel here, live on my personal page. So happy and a blessed Sunday to all. Kumusta po kayong lahat? I hope you are all doing well and you are keeping safe and you are having a lovely Sunday. So today it's a lovely day here. It is quite sunny. It's a beautiful day. So today, this morning, we went to the church, and then after that, we went to buy our groceries for the week. And we went home, ate our lunch, but now I'm trying to prepare some food for dinner. So I'm trying to do some sinigang, but my ingredients are not the same as of our sinigang in the Philippines because this is what my husband bought the other day. And the broccoli. Yes, and this one as well. So anyway, they are all vegetables. So I can still use them. Hindi naman po nagre-reklamo ang ang pagkain. So, okay lang yan. And it's not a pork sinigang. It is a chicken sinigang. Yon. So, grateful lang po ako kasi alam niyo po, hindi ko akalain na makaka-receive po ako ng naka-receive na po pala ako ng aking payday sa aking business the other day. Kung hindi pa po nagtanong ang aking business partner kung naka-receive na ako, is hindi ko po ma-check, hindi ko ma-check yung aking bangko. Meron na po palang pumasok na earnings from my business. Kaya grateful po ako na kahit may iba po akong ginagawa, and yung aking business, it runs in automation. Tapos meron ding mga taong nag-i-inquire about the business, and I can spend more time with my family. So, yun pa rin. Nag-yield po ng magandang result. Imagine niyo, meron akong surprise income. Diba? Kaya napakaganda po ng business na ganito. It's, we have an automated system, marketing system. Yan. So, grateful po ako dyan sa mga yan. And, marami pong balita sa aming business. May mga taong naka-receive ng naka-reach ng milestone nila, like achieving a milestone is needs to be celebrated, and also some business contracts submitted. Ayan po. So, sa lahat po ng nanonood, kung curious po kayo what business I'm talking about, maybe you can send me a message or register on my website, guys. So, malay nyo naman, ito yung business na hinahanap nyo. Kasi ako po noon, I'm not looking for a business. I'm just looking for a flexible working hours. But then, ito po yung tinuro ni Lord sa akin. So, at first, I'm not sure if this is a legitimate business. But then, I did my due diligence. And after that, I joined the business. I started my own business. Kahit po walang experience ng online business, kahit hindi po kami tech savvy, is makaka-start po kayo at makakaroon ng successful business kasi hindi po kayo nag-iisa dito. Meron po kaming global supportive community, one-on-one mentoring and coaching. Kaya, check this out po kung gusto nyo pong malaman about this business. So, yun lang po, and maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood. And sa mga manonood pa sa replay, kindly comment below where you are tuning in from to. So, yun lang, and maraming salamat, and have a great day, and God bless you all. Bye!